Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the world of my perfume. This is Titan Skin. One of my friend gifted me. This is Gucci Glow. It's a brand new. Today I got it. Supple Dio. This is Carolina Herrera. Good girl. Very strong perfume it is. This is Supple Chichi. One of my favorite till date. This is Versace. The same is here again. You can see again we have got mints. This is the best. This is Novel. This is a very strong perfume which I wear only for the parties. This is Black Dream and Gucci Bamboo. This is not mine. This is Armani and the Lacoste last one. So this is the one which I use it for a regular. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also you can think of buying this the same. It's one of the best.